Hi everyone, this is Krishna Maths IT faculty. Last class we discussed matrices concept. In this class we have to discuss some problems. This is the first problem. The number of different order pairs of matrix having 12 elements. See here, total 12 elements has given. 12 elements we can write here 1 into 12, that means 1 row, 12 columns, and 2 into 6, 2 rows and 6 columns, and 3 into 4 and 4 into 3 and 6 into 2, 12 into 1. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 ways. 6 ways. 12 elements can be arranged 6 ways. Okay, note down. Okay, next second problem. If I is equal to matrix 1 0 0 1 and J matrix 0 1 minus 1 0 and B is equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, then B equals see here B is equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta given. Cos theta given. See here we have to solve this problem, go through this option. Here first option we have to check here, I cos theta plus J sin theta. Here I means here 1 0 0 1 into cos theta plus J means here 0 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 into sin theta. Now see here cos theta into 1 cos theta 0 0 cos theta plus 0 sin theta minus sin theta 0. Now you can add these two. Add these two means cos theta plus 0 is equal to cos theta and 0 plus sin theta and 0 plus minus sin theta minus sin theta. Cos theta plus 0 is equal to cos theta. Okay, now see here, this is equal to B. This is equal to B. That means here, this is B. B means here, I cos theta plus J sin theta. This is first option only. Note down. Okay, next problem, third one. If A is a skew symmetric matrix, then trace of A is equal to. See here, a skew symmetric matrix means A transpose is equal to minus A. Okay, here X, here 0, X, Y, here this is also, actually this is Q symmetric matrix, its principal diagonal is equal to 0. This is X, Y, Z, then here minus X, minus Y, Z, minus Z. This is minus Z. This is A transpose also. A transpose is equal, this is A is equal to 0 X Y and minus X 0 Z minus Y Z 0. Here A transpose is equal to minus A, but here principal diagonal all elements are equal to 0. Here skew symmetric matrix means a matrix is a skew symmetric matrix means its principal diagonal all the elements are equal to 0. That's why here trace of A is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. That's why this is the third option. Note down. This is very basic question. Okay, next fourth one. If A is a square matrix such that A square is equal, then A inverse is equal to. This is also very easy. See here, A square is equal to I as given. Here A square is write as A into A is equal to I. Actually, we know that by the definition of inverse, here A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A is equal to what? I. Identity matrix. Okay, this is also I and this is also I. Now we can take here A into A is equal to A inverse into A or A into A inverse. Anyone you can take here. Okay, or otherwise A into A inverse. See here, now this is corresponding matrices equal. This is also A, this is also A. Then A is equal to A inverse. Therefore, A inverse is equal to A. This is second option, note down. Okay, next question is the matrix A is equal to 1 1 3 5 2 6 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 is. Here idempotent matrix this matrix or involuntary matrix or nilpotent matrix or none of the above. See here, here 3 conditions, here 3 we have to apply some conditions. Idempotent matrix means here A square is equal to A. A square is equal to A, it is called the idempotent matrix. Here involuntary matrix means here A square is equal to I, or A inverse is equal to A inverse is equal to A. This is involuntary matrix. Here nilpotent matrix means A to the power of n is equal to 0. Here n is index of the matrix. See here 3 cases at a time we have to explain. First you have to multiply A square. A square is equal to, see here, A square is equal to A into A. Same matrix you have to multiply 2 times, 1, 2, 3 and 5, 2, 6, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3 into here 1, 1, 3, 5, 2, 6, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. Now you have to multiply these 2. Here 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 5, plus 5 and 3 2s are minus 6 and 1 1s are 1, 2 1s are plus 2, 3 1s are minus 3. Next 1 3s are 3 plus 6 minus 9. Next 5 plus 10 and 6 2s are 12 and 5 4 minus 6. 5 3s are 15, 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are minus 18. Minus 18. Next 2 1s are minus 2, minus 5, here plus 6, minus 2 and minus 2 and this is plus 3 and 3 2s are minus 6 and 3 3s are 9. Now you can write here this is 0 and here this is also 0 and here this is also 0. This is 5 plus 10, 15, 15 minus 12 is equal to 3 and this is 9 minus 6, 3. Here this is 27 minus 3 plus 12 is equal to 9, 27 minus 18, 9 and this is 7 minus 1 and 4 means minus 1 and this is 12 minus means here 3 minus 3. This is A square. Now we can find this is A square is not equal to, say this here, A square is not equal to A and A square not equal to I. Then here these two options, either nilpotent matrix or none of these are. Okay, see here. Now A square into A cube we can find here. A square into A square is equal to 0, 0, 0, 3, 3, 9, minus 1, minus 3 into here A is equal to once again 1, 1, 3, 5, 2, 6 and minus 2, minus 1, minus 3 is equal to here this is 0 and all zeros 0 plus 0 and here also 0 plus 0 plus 0. Okay, this is also 0. Now this is 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 9 2s are 18. Next 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 9 1s are minus 9. Next 3 3s are 9, 3 into 6, 18, 9 3s are 27. Next minus 1, minus 5, plus 6, here minus 1, minus 2 and this is plus 3. Next minus 3, minus 6 plus 9. Now see here, this is 0, 18 here, this is 0, 0, this is 18 minus 18, 0, this is 9 minus 0, here this is 27, 0, this is also 0, 0 and this is also 9, 0. That means A power 3 is equal to 0 means here A power 3, here A power n is equal to 0 means here A power 3 is equal to 0. Then this is a, what is this? Not this one. Here nilpotent matrix. Nilpotent matrix. After 3 times this is also what happened? It is equal to 0. That's why our option is not done. Okay, next problem, sixth one. If A is equal to diagonal of 2, minus 1, 3 and B diagonal minus 1, 3, 2 and a square b equal to, see here diagonals only given. Suppose here a is means here this is x, here 2 comma some x and y, here some z, here -1, and this is some p, and this is q and r, this is this like as given. Now you can find this is a square also, you can multiply here again 2x some y and z -1 p and q r and 3. Okay, you can multiply only these diagonals, you can multiply means here it's here 2 into 2 4 and 1 is 1 and this is 3 into 3 9, same this order will come. Okay, that's why you have to write here C. Here a square into b is write as here diagonal of a into diagonal of a into a square into diagonal of b. Now see here diagonal of a is equal to 2 comma -1 comma -1 comma 3 into diagonal of 2 comma -1 comma 3 into diagonal of b is -1 3 2. Now see here diagonal of here a means here 2 into 2 or -1 into 1 plus 3 into 3 9 into diagonal of -1 3 2. Now diagonal of a square into b is 4 1s are -4, 1 3s are 3, 2 into 9 18. Now check here diagonal of 4 3 18, this is second option, note down. Okay, next seventh problem. If AB is equal to A and B is equal to B, then B square is equal to, see here AB is equal to A, this is 1, and BA is equal to B, this is 2. Now what I will do, I have to multiply 1 and 2, then AB into here BA is equal to AB. Now A into this is right as B into B, B square into A is equal to AB. Here left cancellation you can use here, B square A is equal to B square A is equal to B. Now this is rewrite as B into BA is equal to B square is right as B into BA is equal to B. Now see here from 2 BA is equal to B into B is equal to B. Then B into B means here B square is equal to B. Then this is first option, note down. Okay, next problem, 8th one. If A and B are symmetric matrices, then A is, see here symmetric matrix means here A transpose is equal to A or B transpose is equal to B or C transpose is equal to C. See here symmetric matrix means this is A transpose. Here Q symmetric matrix means here A transpose is equal to minus A and diagonals equal to 0. Principal diagonal elements are equal to 0. And diagonal matrix means here a matrix diagonal except diagonal remaining all elements are equal to 0. And scalar matrix means here principal diagonal elements are equal and remaining all non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. Okay, see here now here A as given, this is a symmetric matrix, then you can take here it is a transpose. How you will take means here AB you can take one term and A another term. Now you can write here transpose. Here AB whole transpose is write as B transpose into A transpose. Then A transpose into AB whole transpose. Again here A transpose into, this is write as B transpose into A transpose. Now A transpose means here symmetric means A. B transpose B, here A. See here AB whole transpose is equal to here ABA. That means this is A, you can assume means here A transpose is equal to A. Then this is a symmetric matrix. Note down. Okay, next problem. If A is a skew symmetric matrix and n is even positive number, then A to the power of n is. Here skew symmetric matrix means A to the power of n is equal to minus A and principal diagonal all elements are equal to 0. Principal diagonal all elements are equal to 0. See here let A power t or A power n is equal to, you can assume as P. A power n is equal to P. Let a power n is equal to P. Now both sides you have to take transpose. A power n whole power t is equal to P power t. Now this is write as a power m whole power n means you can write here a power t whole power n is equal to P power t. Now this is a transpose is equal to what? Minus a. Then minus a power n is equal to P power t. But here n is even positive number. N is even positive number. N is even positive number. Then even positive means a power, you can take here 2 means here this is a square. A square means it is positive. That's why here a power n is equal to P power t. But a power n means what? Here P. P is equal to P power t. It's a transpose also again. A transpose is equal to A means here what? This is a symmetric matrix. Note down. Okay, this is also very easy question. 10th one, a square matrix Aij in which Aij is equal to 0 for I is not equal to j and Aij is equal to some constant, then I is equal to k. Okay, see here. Here Aij is equal to 0 where I is not equal to j and Aij is equal to k, some constant I is equal to j. That means you have to write a matrix means here A11, A12. Suppose 3 cross 3 matrix you have to take here A13. Here A21, A22, A23 and A31, A32, A33. Now see here, this is I, this is j, not equal means this is 0, 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 this is 0. Sorry, this is not 0, A33. This is 0. Now this is A11 means I is equal to j, I is equal to j, I is equal to j. That means here this is constant. Constant. Now principal diagonal is a scalar and remaining non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. It is called the scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. Principal diagonal elements are scalar and it is equal to unit 1 and remaining non-diagonal elements are equal to 0 means this is unit matrix. Okay. Here all elements are equal means this is a null matrix. Diagonal matrix means here principal diagonal elements are scalar but not equal. Here scalar means here equal. All elements are equal. Diagonal elements are not equal. Here 1, 2, 3. But here scalar means here 3, 4, 3, 3. Okay. Remaining all diagonal elements are equal. Okay. Your answer is scalar matrix. Note down. Okay. Next 11th problem. If A is equal to matrix Aij is a scalar matrix. Order of n cross n such that Aij is equal to k. For all I is equal to j, then the trace of A. See here, this is A11, this is 0, 0, 0, A22, 0, A0, 0, A33. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix of scalar. Then this value is I is equal to j. For all I is equal to j means its value is equal to k. K. Its order is here. This you can write here k. K. This is a 3 cross 3. 3 cross 3 means here. This is you can take common k. K into here. This is the order 3 means you can write here 3k. But here or otherwise here trace of A means here k plus trace of A is equal to here A plus k plus up to so on. How many times here? This is 3 times means you can write here 3. Here this is n times. N times. K common. Then this is how many times? N times we can write here nk. Okay, next 12th one. If A is equal to matrix 0, 2, 3, minus 4 and Ka is equal to matrices of 0, 3a, 2b, 24. Then the value of K, A, B are respectively. See here. First you have to multiply K into A is equal to K into 0, 2, 3, minus 4 is equal to this Ka 0, 3a, 2b, 24. Now you can multiply the K means here this is 2K, 0, 2K, 3K, here minus 4K. Now see here corresponding elements are equal. When two matrices equal means their corresponding elements are equal. This is 4K is equal to 24, minus 4K is equal to 24, then K is equal to minus 6, K is equal to minus 6. Now you can write here 2 into minus 6 is equal to 3a, then 3 1s are 3 2s are, A is equal to minus 4, and here also 3 into minus 6 is equal to 2b. 2 ones are 2, 3 is b is equal to minus 9. Here we have to find the value of k a b. K is equal to minus 6 and minus 4 minus 9. Third option, note down. Okay, next problem. If AB is equal to A and BA is equal to B, then A square plus B square is equal to, see here, A square plus B square is rewrite as A into A plus B into B. Actually here A means here AB, substitute here AB into A, plus B means here BA into B. Now this is write as A into BA, associative property, B into AB. Here BA means what? B. A into B plus B into AB means here A. Again AB means what? AB means here A. BA means B. This is equal to A plus B. Note down. Okay, next problem, see here. If A is equal to matrix minus 8, 5, 2, 4, satisfy the equation x square plus 4x minus p is equal to 0. See here, A satisfies given equation x square plus 4x minus p is equal to 0. Now see here, this is a square minus 4p plus 4p minus p is equal to 0. Sorry, 4a minus p is equal to 0. Now this is write as p is equal to a square plus 4a. You can take here p into I, you can write here, this is p into I also p. Now this is a square is 8 minus 8, 5, 2, 4 into 4 into a is equal to minus 8, 5, 2, 4. Now you have to multiply here a square means you can write here 2 times. First you can find a square is equal to minus 8, 5, 2, 4 into minus 8, 5, 2, 4. 8 8 are 64, 5 2 are 10, 8 5 are minus 40, 5 4 are 20. 2 into 8 minus 16, 4 into 2 8, 2 into 5 10 plus 4 4 are 16. Now this is right as 74 minus 20 minus 8, this is 26. Now you can write here a square plus 4a is equal to, a square is equal to 74 minus 20 minus 8, 26 plus 4 into minus 8, 5, 2, 4. Now this is right as 74, 4 8s are minus 32, minus 20, 4 5s are 20. Next this is 8 and 4 2s are plus 8, and here 26 and 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. Now this is right as 74 minus 32 is equal to 42, and this is 0 and 0, 42. Now this is 42, take common, 1 0 0 1, then this is 42. I you can write here, this is actually pi is equal to 42i, then p is equal to 42. Your answer is second option, note down. Okay, this is also same type of problem. If A is equal to matrix 1 minus 2 4 5 and f of t is equal to t square minus 3t plus 7, then f of a plus 3 6 minus 12 minus 9. Now we have to find here f of t is equal to t square minus 3t plus 7. Now here a is a factor, means here f of a is equal to a square minus 3a plus 7. 7 you can write here, 7i you can write here. First you can find here a square is equal to, what is the value of a here? 1 minus 2, 4 and 5 into 1 minus 2, 4 and 5. Now you can multiply here 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 4, minus 8, 1 into 2, minus 2, 2 into 5, minus 10. 4 1s are 4 and 5 4s are 20. 4 2s are minus 8, 5 5s are 25. Is equal to, this is minus 7, minus 12, this is 24 and this is 17. Now you can write here a square minus 3a plus 7i. Here a square value is equal to minus 7 minus 12. Minus 7 minus 12, 24 and 17. Minus 3 into a is equal to 1 minus 2, 4, 5 plus 7 into 1, 0, 0, 1. Now you can write here minus 7 minus 3 plus 7 minus 12, 3 into 2, 6 plus 6 and this is 0. Okay, next 24, 3 4s are minus 12 and plus 0. Next one is 17, 3 5s are 15 plus 7. 7 7 cancel, minus 3. Yeah, this is minus 6 and this is 12 and this is 17, 24. 24 minus 15 is 9. 9. Then you have to take common any number is possible. Actually here f of a plus we have to add this one also. Now this is f of a. Now we have to add this is f of a. F of a plus here 3 6 minus 12 minus 9. Now you can add here same minus 3 minus 6 12 9 plus 6 3 6 minus 12 9. This is equal to 0. Then this is second option. Note down. Okay, next problem. If a is equal to 0 1 1 0 and then a to the power of 4. First we have to find here a square. A square is equal to 0 1 1 0 into 0 1 1 0. Now see here 0 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1 and 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0. 1 into 0 0 plus 0 and 1 into 1 1 0. Now this is right as 1 0 0 1 is equal to I. Here a square is equal to I means here a to the power of 4 also I only. Then this is first option. Note down. Next problem, if the matrix A is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 1, then a to the power of n plus 1 value. See here, first we have to find here a square is equal to a into a is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Now see here 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 plus 1, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 1 into plus 1 minus 1, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 1 into 1 plus 1. Now see here, this is 2 minus 2 minus 2 2. Now this is right as 2 we have to take common, 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Actually this is a. Where it is a 1 minus 1 minus 1 and this is right as 2a. Now we have to find here a cube. A cube is equal to a square into a. Here a square means here, see here a square value 2a into a is equal to 2a square. 2a square. Actually here a cube is equal to 2a square came. Then here a square means again you can write here 2a. Then 2 into 2a is equal to 4a. 4a is right as 2 square into a. This is a cube is equal to 2 square into a. Then here a cube instead of you can write here a to the power of n plus 1. N plus 1 means here 2 to the power of here 3 means here 2. Here n plus 1 means here n into a. Then here 2 to the power of n into here a is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Your answer is here third one, 2 to the power of n into 1 minus 1 minus 1 and 1. Note down. Okay, next problem, 18th one. If A is equal to matrix 3 minus 4 1 minus 1, then A to the power of n is equal to, see here, A square is equal to, here 3 minus 4 1 minus 1 into 3 minus 4 1 minus 1. Now we can multiply here, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 1 minus 4, 3 into 4 minus 12, 4 into 1 plus 4, 1 into 3 3, 1 into 1 minus 1, 1 into 4 minus 4, 1 into 1 1. Now it is equal to 5. Here this is minus 8 and this is 2 and minus 3. Now you can multiply here, A cube is equal to A square into A. Here A square is 5 minus 8, 2 minus 3 into 3 minus 4 1 minus 1. Now you can write here 5 into 3 15, 8 ones are 8, 5 fours are minus 20, 8 ones are 8, 2 threes are 6, 3 ones are 3, 2 into 4 minus 8, 3 ones are 3. Now this is right as 15 minus 7, 8 is equal to 7, this is minus 12 and this is 3 and this is minus 5. Now I will write this one is A cube is right as, here this is right as 1 plus 2 into 3, 2 into 3 plus 1 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, and this is minus 4 into 3 and this is 3. Next here 1 minus 2 into 3. Now see here 2 into 3 6, 6 minus 1 is minus 5, here 4 3 is minus 12. Now see here A cube, now we can write here A to the power of n. A to the power of n means 1 plus, here this is n is 3, here 3 means 3. Okay, this is also you can write here 2. 2 means 1 plus 2 into 2, here 2 into 4 into 2, here 2, here 1 minus 2 into 2. Right here, this is 2n minus 4n, here 3, 1 minus, this is 2n. Now check here, 1 plus 2n minus 4n, n, this is right as n, not 3, n, 1 minus 2n. This is fourth option, not done. Okay, thank you children. Next class we have to discuss second level questions. This is level 1 questions. Next class we have to discuss level 2 questions. Okay, until thank you.